Are you looking for the best cordless work lights in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 7 best cordless work lights. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 7th product on our list is the Milwaukee Rover Compact Dual Power LED Floodlight. This compact yet powerful Milwaukee cordless work light strikes the ideal balance between portability and functionality. I found its 4,000 maximum lumen output to be sufficient for the majority of tasks around the house, and the 1,200 lumen low setting convenient for close proximity use. Sitting in a cradle-type design, adjusting the angle of the beam, 0 to 120 degrees, is as simple as tilting it up or down as needed. Like most Milwaukee products, the overall build quality is sturdy, and the wide base gives it a really stable foundation, whether it's on the floor or a tabletop. You can even use the keyholes under the base to mount it on a wall. This cordless work light is a hybrid, designed to run off a rechargeable battery or an AC power cord. The caveat is that like the other cordless work lights below and most on the market, there's no battery included. Also, this model doesn't have a power cord either, whereas hybrid models from some other brands include one. If you're partial to another brand's tools, and thus have another brand's batteries lying around, this may not be the best choice. But if you do have a Milwaukee tool collection, it's tough to find a better choice given the price point, dual power design, and 3 brightness modes. Up next in the 6th place is the DeWalt 20V-MAX LED work light. If you're working on elevated surfaces, or just want to be able to angle your light in a variety of directions, this DeWalt tower-style light is a fantastic option. With a telescopic design, it reaches a height of 7 feet, and the lens pivots and rotates for a wide range of angle adjustments. A rubber-coated bezel protects the lens, and locking clips keep it sturdy and secure at your desired height. Although significantly bulkier and heavier than other options, this light was surprisingly convenient to transport around during testing, thanks to its dual-handle design, one at the neck and a second along the body. Despite its impressive height, this light folds down to a manageable size, with a footprint of 10 inches in diameter. Coming in at number 5 is the Milwaukee M18 LED work light. What this Milwaukee light lacked in power, it made up for in precision and accuracy. Thanks to a reticulating 90-degree neck, you can choose exactly where you want the beam to point, and its battery pack acts as a solid, bottom-heavy base to minimize tip-overs. While testing it underneath a century-old sink, I appreciated the protective rubber bezel, which prevented damage from any falling debris during my inspection. While the single 100 lumen output setting isn't as versatile as other cordless work lights, I found the minimal design convenient to use. You just press the trigger to turn it on and off. Also, the output is perfect for using in cramped areas where a brighter setting would affect visibility. At number 4, we have the Makita Lithium-Ion Cordless/corded work light. This heavy-duty Makita light runs on either 18V batteries or corded power. It's extremely bright, blasting out up to 10,000 lumen on its highest setting, with a reflective lens that emits a wide, consistent beam across the room. I appreciated the sturdiness of the adjusting knobs. They satisfyingly locked into place after I set them, and the thick rubber coating on the carrying handle and around the lens. Unlike the Milwaukee Rover hybrid above, this model comes with its own AC power cord, as well as handy onboard storage for wrapping it up. There's also space for 2 Makita 18V batteries, though like other cordless work lights, they aren't included. The 3rd product on our list is the DeWalt 20V-MAX LED work light. If you're looking for all-over illumination from a single light, look no further than this DeWalt model. What really sets it apart from the competition is that although it's capable of generating up to 5,000 lumen, the lens does a great job of diffusing the beam so as to make it more comfortable on your eyes while maneuvering around it. Although this light is pretty heavy, it weighed a little over 10 pounds with the ADA battery I was using. The 4 grab handles made it really convenient to grab and carry around while repositioning during testing. This weight also kept it sturdy, and combined with its squat, compact shape, it was virtually impossible to tip over. This stable design, along with the extra thick protective lens, made this an especially durable option. This model also features DeWalt's Tool Connect feature for controlling the power and brightness settings from your phone. A feature I find really useful when on top of a ladder or when hanging it upside down with the hanging hook. Second on our list is the Koopala LED Sconce. It's versatile and a cinch to use. The Koopala LED Sconce rotates 360 degrees on a sturdy magnetic ball anchor, so you can direct the light where you need it. The light is easily controlled by a touch button on top of the puck, and it also remembers your last use setting. And because the puck attaches magnetically to the base, you can detach it to use as a flashlight for bathroom trips at night. It's great for reading. The beam of light is bright enough to illuminate a book or magazine, but focused enough to avoid disturbing a sleeping partner. In our testing, the Koopala Sconce's battery lasted roughly 15 hours at maximum brightness. That's several days of juice when regularly used for reading. You can install it with sticky tape. The included adhesive tape kept our sconce securely upright during testing, but it was also relatively easy to peel off without damaging our walls. You can use the enclosed screws instead if you prefer. Finally, the top product on our list is the Poplight. It's our only app-enabled pick. You can use the Poplight's intuitive app to set custom timers, adjust brightness, and choose between 3 temperature settings. It also tracks the sconce's battery life. Others just die or start dimming unannounced. If you own multiple Poplights, you can name each one on the app to easily identify them. It's cute in so many ways. Originally pitched on Shark Tank, this lamp is available in cool colors like marigold and vermilion and has a playful shape. The included 6-foot charging cable matches the color of your lamp, so it even looks stylish plugged in. However, like most lithium-ion batteries, doing so may degrade the overall life of the battery. The installation is especially easy. The Poplight comes with a built-in level, which helped me install it straight with very little effort. Like with the Koopala LED Sconce we recommend, you can either use screws or adhesive tape to mount it. Bonus: the adhesive tape was the easiest one to remove after testing. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.